Wizard and Cat, Episode 8, The New Royal Wizard.
Please, Your Majesty,
said Anne. She bowed.
You're a wise and fair king.
Indeed,
said the king.
That wizard didn't take his turn yet.
Anne went on. The king looked at the queen.
Achoo!
She shook her head.
You must decide, King. I'm too upset about my lost bookmark.
At last, the king shrugged.
guards, release the wizard.
He said.
But
Dirk's face turned bright red.
Your Majesty,
The guards released Tom. Suddenly, he spotted something. Cat was hiding behind a curtain. Tom thought fast.
May I take a moment to prepare my spell?
no.
Snapped Dirk,
Yes.
said the king. Tom dashed behind the curtain.
What should I do, Cat?
He whispered. Cat held up something.
I found this.
She said.
It's the Queen's royal bookmark!
Tom said.
Wow! She'll be so happy to see it.
Time's up, wizard.
Dirk snapped. Cat whispered in Tom's ear. Then Cat jumped into Tom's pocket. Tom ran back to the thrones.
I'm ready now.
He said. Tom raised his wand.
Lost thing of the Queen.
He said.
Be seen.
It's my royal bookmark.
The Queen cried.
What a clever spell.
The king jumped up.
He is the new royal wizard.
Tom grinned happily.